Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the JLab 2K 1080p HD video call Epic Cam. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Also comes with magnetic faceplates, so depending on your setup for your Windows, Mac, or Chromebook, they're magnetic. So if that looks good to you, you can use that one. Both of these come in the box. Comes with right there, 2 controls that are touch sensitive on top. Comes with dual microphones. This part sits on top of your monitor right here. So you can adjust the camera to how you need it, like that. And it's very stiff, so once you get it in place, it will not fall over or turn over, which is nice. We like that about this brand. It has a long cable that's USB type A for your computer. And some of the details are on the back, including you can get that really good quality from the 2K or the 1080p, whatever you prefer. 90-degree field of view, so it doesn't get 180 degrees, so you won't be distorted. Has 2 omni-directional microphones. It works with PC, Mac, like I said, and Chromebook, which is great if you have a Chromebook that you travel around with and need a better camera for your computer. This is it. This is from JLab, their new work series, and it's the Epic Cam. They have other ones as well, but we like this Epic version. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.